Done with your server, here's how to delete it on Discord Mobile within a few taps. But make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to delete Discord server through the mobile app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Discord app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. From the home screen, tap on the server icon you want to delete. This will open the server. Tap on the server name at the top of the screen. This will open the drop-down menu with several options. In this drop-down, select the settings and then click on the overview. Then scroll to the bottom of the page. At the very bottom, you will find an option of Delete Server. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the server. Tap Yes again to confirm. Once confirmed, your server will be deleted permanently. There is no way to recover it once deleted, so make sure you are certain. So this is how to delete Discord server through the mobile app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.